Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the language that Microsoft Office uses in its menus and proofing tools. So this tutorial will apply for all of the umbrella products that Office is known for, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, so forth. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up an Office product. I'm just going to open up Word. You can open up any other Office application if you want. So on the left side, you want to select Options at the bottom. And now you want to go and select Language on the left panel here. Go ahead and add a language. So go ahead and select Add a Language. And then you can add any language in here that's supported. And then once you're done with that, you would go ahead and select Install. And it's going to say we are preparing to install your new language. After you click OK, we'll begin downloading and installing the language in the background. It may take a few minutes until you see progress. Once the installation is complete, Office will ask you to restart and apply your new language. Select OK. And this will take some time to download, again, probably depending on how fast your internet speeds are. So just please be patient. Okay, so it's requesting that we close out a Word, so I'm going to go ahead and do continue there. And give it a moment here, it's just going to relaunch. And now you see the language has changed. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.